Humans carry ancient survival wiring in their brains, the fight, flight, or freeze responses, and certain animals can strongly trigger or even shape these instincts through both evolutionary history and learned, conditioned experiences. Animal conditioned behaviors. The conditioned experiences guaranteed animals' successful existence in as much as depending on humans either for food or shelter. The animal's dependence on humans ensures their survival. The numbers of rats and mosquitoes, for instance, has risen significantly because of conditioned habit that let them depend on humans for their survival. This dependence developed over the period of time. Split-second decision-making. In predator-rich environments, humans become more attuned to sound, smells, and movement. This is a skill that can persist even in urban life. Herding together in the presence of dangerous wildlife mirrors prey-animal behavior, reinforcing cooperation as a survival tool. Even in cities, animals still influence our conditioned instincts. Mosquitoes, for instance. In malaria-prone areas, people develop hyper-awareness of buzzing sounds. In some regions, humans adapt daily routines to avoid confrontations with stray dogs or monkeys. On the other hand, communities near migration routes learn seasonal avoidance patterns for safety against wild elephants' evolutionary conditioning. Over thousands of years, other species have acted as selective forces on human survival and behavior. Predators like big cats, such as lions and leopards, also snakes and raptors, shaped our vigilance, fear responses, and group defense strategies. Parasites and pathogens, such as mosquitoes, fleas, and certain mammals carrying diseases, influenced our hygiene habits, settlement patterns, and even genetic immunity. The availability of plants and animals for food-conditioned migration routes, tool-making, and cooperation, which ensured an easy access to food sources. Behavioral and social conditioning. Humans learn from observing and interacting with other species. Domesticated animals such as dogs and horses condition humans toward cooperation, training skills, and emotional bonding across species. In addition, encounters with aggressive animals can create long-lasting conditioned fears, e.g., avoiding certain habitats. Relationships between human and other life species became mutualistic. Bees, livestock, and crop plants shaped agricultural societies, conditioning humans to protect and manage other species. Ecological and cultural conditioning. Other living things influence not just survival instincts, but also our cultural norms and worldviews. Totem animals and symbols. Many cultures revere certain animals, conditioning moral codes and taboos. Ecosystem engineers, species like elephants, beavers, or coral indirectly condition human settlement and resource use by altering landscapes. Urban wildlife such as pigeons, rats, and stray dogs condition city dwellers' habits, from waste management to public health measures. We depend on animals for our scientific researches. We raise them for food in our factories, but we need to change how we treat them. We have to treat them with mercy and respect they deserve. Like them, we are animals too. We can condition other life species and be conditioned by them as well. Conditioning for survival is not one way. Humans also condition other species. Through domestication, habitat change, and selective breeding, we've altered the behavior and evolution of countless species. This creates a co-conditioning cycle. We adapt to them, they adapt to us. Humans are indeed conditioned animals. Our behaviors, instincts, and even thought patterns are shaped not only by our environment, but also by the presence and influence of other living things. This conditioning happens through a mix of evolutionary pressures, social learning, and direct interaction with other species.